Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix and Tricks. Today I'll show you a super simple and powerful trick how to turn an ordinary LED bulb driver into a professional LED and Zener diode tester. As you see, this is a LED bulb driver. It's using an JW 1792 driver, a self, a capacitor, a diode on this side, and also the bridge rectifier and two current sampling resistor. This is an ordinary LED bulb driver. I want to change it to the LED tester. I want to change this to current sensing resistor to down the amperage of the output amperage of this driver for safe testing the LEDs and Zeners. And as you see, these two resistor is 11 and 10 ohm parallel, and I want to change them with a 270 useful because it's a constant current LED driver and it's useful for our purposes. Okay, now we limited the current. We need a resistor to limit the output voltage. As you see, I select the 10 kilo ohm resistor to limit the output voltage and want to solder it here. Okay guys, now I want to check the LED with the circuit and show you how it works. As you see, it's work and turn on the healthy LED, and by this you can find the unhealthy LED and change it. Now I want to put the circuit inside the empty adapter for putting it into the multimeter and finding the voltage of the LED and Zener diode. After you soldering the output of the testing circuit into this lead of the power adapter, you can put them inside the testing lead of your multimeter. And like this, you can measure the LED voltage and Zener voltage. And let me show you how to connect it. You have to connect this to the power, and the your test lead is to white and black wire. I connect it to the multimeter, and now I want to connect to the power. As you see the testing voltage, and by these two crocodile probe you can test your Zener or LEDs. I have a Zener diode here. I want to check it and show you how the circuit works. As you see, this Zener is 11.5 volts. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video if you like it. Bye for now.